Bit of a small bridge in it. Don't you think they could have built a bigger one?
No, this is actually wider than San Francisco Golden Gate Bridge. It's actually wider, so factually it's bigger, but San Francisco Bridge is much longer and it's a lot taller.
Camera is annoying me. This dash cam. It's not the cam. Fucking, why does it keep turning off and on? It's the dodgy USB power down here, right? Every time I go over a bump, or every time the car shakes, it has a shit connection down there, so it disconnects itself. And then when it reconnects, fucking powers back up again. It's so annoying. If it does it again, right, I'm just gonna fucking unplug it and run it off battery power, and it might not be AIDS. Well, it'll stop being AIDS. There we go. I mean, this is fucking, the head one's recording anyway. I don't know why I even need that on. Mate, it's too hot. I'll shut the window while I'm talking. I can only do 60 down this road because it's like average speed cameras the whole way down, which is annoying. And yeah, I don't know, I felt like recording a POV tonight because I haven't recorded one in a while, and I don't know, I just got a bit bored. Not bored, that's not the right word, I don't know. I felt like recording one, okay, I shouldn't need a reason. It goes up to a 70 here, that's why I can do that. It is a bit warm. car makes too many nice noises, it's actually unreal. I mean, I get that it's not a fast car, but it's just so fun to drive. Don't leave your high beams on or anything, mate. I can definitely see where I'm going. I really hope the audio is good on this because I put the open case on it, so it should be pretty good. Is that? Yeah, that one's still going. The audio should hopefully be pretty good. Hopefully there's not like a shitload of wind every time I open the windows. Obviously I can't hear much wind, but the camera might pick it up differently to my ears, obviously. But yeah. I don't think I've done a POV video since I've had it mapped, since I've had the exhaust fully decat and everything, like just straight through. I need to go back and get a printout. Apart from that, the map is basically finished, but at the time they like finished the map, we just ran out of time and I just couldn't like get on the dyno to get the figures. So as soon as that's done, I mean as soon as I can go back, I really just basically I need to call him and book a date, because it's not going to cost me anything, I already paid for it. So I just need to call and book a date and go back and see. I reckon it's going to be like 105 maybe, something 110 at a push. I don't know. We'll see, won't we? thank you all for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Sorry there's been barely any videos lately. I've just been so busy with work. I've not had any updates on the Corolla, so yeah. And I don't know. I should stop making excuses and I should just film more like this. But, yeah. I'll see you guys in the next video. Cheers.
Walk in the club with 2 sluts when I'm home.